How to change your password on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your password on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your password on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right here, and then just tap the three lines option from the top right. Go to Meta Account Center. Once you go to this Meta Account Center tab, you'll find account settings where you'll find password and security. So tap on password and security over here, and once you tap on password and security, you'll find all these sorts of option where you'll find the option called change password. So when you tap on the change password option, you'll find this option here known as Instagram. Select your Instagram account, enter the current password, re-enter the new password, and your password will get changed. And if you don't remember your current password, you can also reset the password by tapping the forgotten password option. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.